it will interest you to know that yesterday the governor of Niger State was here, and we also have today here several governors. I can cite the governor of Akwa Ibom State, seated at the extreme of the screen, and a whole lot of other persons there. We also have the Delta State governor sitting next to the Akwa Ibom State governor. And then, of course, we have the man from Edo State seated right there. And then we have the man from River State seated next to him. And then the former governor of Bayelsa State seated next to the River State governor. And then, of course, we have there on the screen the wife of the former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, seated there with his wife, shoulder to shoulder. It will also interest you to know that a former president in the person of Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR, is also seated next to the former president.
The former president Olusegun Obasanjo, even when he buried his father, Obasanjo was here, always encouraging him to, like a political father. And of course, our own man here in Bayelsa, former President Goodluck Jonathan.
And that's what former presidents and former governors need to do, to encourage those who succeed them.
Yes, to mentor them, to teach them the way of governance. Because, you know, you don't just pick those things up overnight, although the National Assembly is a good training ground. But there's something called father-to-son mentorship that is very, very key. I can also see beside Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, the deputy governor of Bayelsa State, who would also be sworn in for second term, talking about distinguished Senator Lawrence Erujakpo.
We are celebrating them, and let's talk about their attire. I mean,